Good morning guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So it is now the 17th of December, so it is Vlogmas day 18. I have lost track because I have not edited a video in like 3 days. Sorry guys, they are coming. Well, they'd already been, so I'm guessing I'll put them up in order, hopefully. But yes, it has been a manic week so far. We've had Christmas concerts and Christmas fairs, and it's just been busy. But the fair yesterday went so well. The kids loved it, which is great. Today is a Thursday. We break up from school tomorrow, so today is our Christmas party. So, by the way, if we haven't met before, my name is Katie. I'm a teacher at an international school here in Bangkok, and I vlog about my life here, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. But anyway, today is a busy day. It is a Christmas fair day, not Christmas fair day, it's Christmas party day. The children will have a music lesson as normal, and then I've got a few activities. So the first thing is, when I first met this class back in like June before the summer, one of the children mentioned that she loved going skiing, and then a load of kids were like, we've never seen snow. So, let me open it. I managed to find fake snow. Sorry, you're gonna hear a load of rattling. So I managed to find this like fake snow, and you just add water to it, and it makes snow. So I'm gonna do like a little lesson with the kids today in the morning and make some snow, and then I'm gonna give them a packet each to take home. I thought they might quite enjoy that. Then they did Secret Santa, so we're going to open each other's presents, and then then Santa is going to come along and say hi, because we have someone at school who dresses up as Santa, comes along and gives them cookies, and yeah, that's the plan. Sorry, a child came in, now they've gone to, I registered them, they've gone to music, so I just want to quickly show you this. So this is, in the UK actually, I saw this like, 4 or 5 years ago. I think I went to like Winter Wonderland one year in London, and they had this like fake snow, and it actually felt like real snow. Now I obviously couldn't get that brand here, but I did manage to find some, and basically they're just little packets, you add water to them. So I figured I would, to begin with, just show them how to do it. It's quite self-explanatory, but I just thought, they might be like, ooh. And then I'm going to put like a bowl on each table, and they can work as a table to do it, and then at the end of the lesson I'll be like, oh, would you like to make some from home, and then they can take some home as well. So I am fully prepared for my snow making session here. So that is what we're going to do to begin with. Also, like, the reason I love Christmas, I think it's my favourite time of the year, and I know a lot of kids here it's like hit or miss here, because some families don't celebrate it, but I just think doing these little activities, there's something different. I just think it's really nice. Like, I'm happy to go out my way and get stuff like this for them to enjoy it and experience it. I think it's a really nice thing to do. Also, I'm really fortunate because I'm at a school where like the children do appreciate what you do most of the time, and my kids are absolutely lovely. And to be fair, I think I believe some of the children watch this channel, so if you're watching this, well done, you are wonderful children. I was so proud of them. I actually can't even explain to you how proud I am. Like, this week they had their Christmas concert, which they did so well in, and then yesterday their Christmas fair, they were like outside in the hot sun for 3 hours doing their like Christmas stalls and fairs and stuff, and everyone around the school and all the teachers and all the parents are saying how great it was, and like it makes me feel so proud as their teachers, just be like, it is such a good job. Like, no one complained, no one moaned, no one like cried, like they all just did such a fantastic job, which I'm just so proud of them. Bless them, they're just amazing kids. So yeah, we're going to do this morning. I just wanted to show you, I got a few really lovely gifts as well. Like, some of the children got me like macaroons and chocolate cookies, and I also got this. One of my students I teach dance to bought me this lovely like Bath and Body Works body lotion. I love Bath and Body Works stuff. Over here it's so expensive because obviously it's imported, but it's so nice. But yeah, so yeah, I feel very blessed right now. And I'm also looking forward to the end of the term. Anyway, I'm going to set this up, and actually I will show you the snacks as well in a minute. It's party day, so the kids all bring in snacks. I'll set them up later and I'll show you then, but they really go all out on the snacks when we have Christmas party day. It's a little bit silly, to be honest, but it's now lunchtime. I am knackered. I don't know why I'm so tired because we've hardly done anything. We opened our presents. I had some lovely, lovely gifts from my children. Like, they're so adorable. And I'm so, so grateful for them. But yes, we had our presents, then we had a little party, and basically all the kids brought in snacks. And some of the children brought in like sushi, sausage rolls and pizza. So we started off with that because it was before lunch. So we started off with that. Now they've gone to lunch. And after lunch, we're going to open like the crisps and the cookies and the donuts and all that stuff. Because I figured a sugar rush at 11:30 was probably not the wisest idea when they're here till 2:30. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that after lunchtime. So I need to set up my class now. It does look like a bomb has hit it though. Like, it is atrocious. This is what my classroom looks like. Yeah, Taylor Swift is playing in the background. Loving her new album, guys. But anyway, this is the mess of my room. This is a bit of leftover sushi and pizza. And now to bring out these snacks. Right, so it's nearly the end of lunch, guys. I just want to quickly show you these snacks. So I've got like a little sweet table here that is just kind of full of M&Ms, donuts, brownies, biscuits, cookies, all that stuff. Little drink station going on over there. And then this is kind of like shared savoury. So shared savoury snacks. Not a clue what these are. And these are cheddar cheese pretzels. And then there's enough crisps for everyone to have a bag of crisps each. This is an interesting flavour, guys. Cheese pizza flavour. Interesting.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.